Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going back to the topic of Osmo Pocket. Why? Well, I finally received my Osmo Pocket charging case. This is probably one of the most anticipated accessories out there. As you guys could see, there's nothing really around the box, just the back. Whoa. It's the Osmo Pocket Part 2 charging case. I'm not really sure what Part 2 means. But yeah, it says part 2, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys, and I'm going to show you how this charging case works. So let's jump in. Alright guys, so here's the Osmo Pocket close-up and personal. So the material is like denim feel. It's really nice. Powered by Dji, you got the USB-C and the button. So when you pull the button down, the case slides open. And the light down there shows you the battery status. Now here you got ND filter slots and the slot for your micro SD card. Two slots actually. And it's easy, you just slide it in and that's it. And there are two slots, like I said, for the ND filters. So here's my ND filter. And the case is magnetic and so is the ND filter. So it just slides in like that. And that's it. And here's the second one. Pretty much slides in, and there you go. And now the Osmo Pocket just inserts there. Oh, but you see those magnetic like connectors? That's how the charging case works with the Osmo Pocket. And it's easy to put in. You just line it in like that, press it down, and it holds. Just in case, you could secure it with this little slide out button, and then just slide it close. See, the status indicator shows that it's fully charged. And it's not that big of a deal. It's not that big. Now, compared to the normal case that you carry it on, yes, the case is slimmer and smaller. But this is still portable. And I like the feel. I do wish they would make it a little bit more pocketable. But I mean, I don't know a way they would be able to design it. And it's really easy. You just lift it up. Click the button, slide it open, and lift the Osmo Pocket and all the accessories. So I mean, it's a really nice case, and for those that shoot always on the go, um, this is great. I'm gonna do a test and see how many times this case could charge the Osmo Pocket. Alright guys, so I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, click the bell. Leave me a comment, let me know if you guys are getting your charging case, and if so, why. I got mine because I use Osmo Pocket a lot and I need to always stay charged on the go. Plus I like how it carries a couple accessories in there. So thank you guys for watching like always, and I'll see you in the next episode.